Welcome to Ocean Tower South, located on the exclusive Jupiter Island. Open the front door and you'll immediately experience luxury at its finest in the fully furnished front lobby. You'll enjoy one of the world's most sought-after, opulent beaches as your own private backyard. Beachside seating, memorable sunsets from your pool, this property really has it all. Come with me as we head up to the 11th floor and check out the views from the penthouse. You'll enjoy views of the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse and a picture-perfect shot of Cato's Bridge. Limitless ocean views from 2 of your 3 bedrooms. And a master bathroom with custom luxury tile and stunning granite countertops. Yes, the granite extends to the kitchen, but you're gonna love this kitchen for another reason. The incredible views. Let's tour some of my favorite amenities offered by Ocean Tower South. Here's a sneak peek at the private fitness center overlooking the pool. Enjoy a delicious steak while soaking in that sunset. And of course, penthouse ownership comes with front row parking. Before you head to the golf course, take advantage of the property's members-only car wash. There are 2 secured outbuildings provided for on-site bike storage. And the neighboring tower houses an expansive marina just a 2-minute walk from your front door. 1,700 square feet of unbelievable penthouse views, yes, from the balcony of the 11th floor. Endless on-site amenities, sunsets your friends and family will talk about for years to come, and an exclusive Jupiter Island lifestyle you just cannot find anywhere else.